Okay, it's when I try to start my damn car, my Mitsubishi Evolution. This is what happens. After a while it catches, but most of the time it just does that. Usually it starts right up, but today's a little cold. Yeah, usually when it's cold it just starts right up, but when the weather gets warmer, I think the plastic expands, makes it even harder for everything to fill the gap so that it doesn't get its contact that it needs. So I'm gonna either try to do a personal push start or just fill in that space some more. The problem is this starts to have a lot of play. I already did the tin foil. I even added some tape to give it more, to try and fill that gap more. But then when the key goes in there, it just goes like this. So it's not really making contact. So what's happening here is it doesn't recognize that the key is in the ignition. So let me make some tweaks and we will see if that takes care of it. Okay, so what I did was I took a soda can and I cut it, folded it in half, bent it into this shape. And I'm just going to stick it in here. And I did that previously to this one. I'm going to just put this one in too. Let me see what happens. Wants to play tight, so it's not in. The shaft didn't go in. Okay, keys in the off position, which I should have did first. This thing has to be in the lock position, which it is now in. Okay, let's give it a try. Now the ignition feels nice and heavy with the key in it. Before it was like really loose. This bolt has actually, this screw has actually backed itself out before, so that's why I always had to keep this thing in the car, and that's why I didn't have any of these panels on. You can see it trying to push itself out. I guess this will do for now. I didn't want to have to splice into any of these wires to do a stupid, anything stupid to the car. More stupid than this. Okay, that'll do for now.